Alright, you guys, so we're at Safeway and we're about to do the playing Among Us sound effect prank. Let's get into it.
What's that noise?
Oh, I think it's coming from the speakers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you hear it too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear it too.
Do it. Like that.
Wait, what?
If it goes off whenever you walk past it.
Oh no, it's coming from the speakers.
I don't think so. From your
It's your
phone.
phone.
Yeah.
Oh no, my phone's dead.
Stay away from me. Keep walking by me with that thing. I don't know what you're doing.
What do you mean?
Stay away from me.
No, I'm just
Keep
browsing.
You keep walking by me with that.
What do you mean?
Go different aisles.
No, I'm browsing.
Yeah, you're browsing.
No, I'm just browsing, sir.
Stay away from me.
So I'm just browsing.
You get this guy away from me. He keeps coming by. I keep going.
Sir, I'm just
He's
browsing.
following me. He's following me, and I'm telling you.
Sir,
to
I'm
stay
browsing.
Heather, he said he's harassing him basically.
No, I'm not even harassing you. I think you're following me, sir.
Are you fucking with me? What are you doing?
Trying to catch Pokemons.
You're playing the Among Us song. You know, Pokemon Go would be more interesting than playing Bass.
Oh no, I'm trying to catch the Pokemons, you know?
I have no clue what you mean at this point because I play Pokemon Go and that's
Yeah.
not it. It's
You gotta catch them all, you know?
No, go away from me.
Huh?
You have followed me everywhere around the store.
You're following me, sir?
No, get away from me.
Sir!
What is that noise?
What's that?
What is that noise?
What noise?
The brown tick 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 tick. Is that your phone?
No, it's not me.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's like the speaker up there or something.
Oh, maybe it is.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no, that's not me. I don't know.
Yeah.
I heard it too, though.
Yeah.
It's very strange.
Must be the song. No, it is your phone.
What?
It is your phone.
What are you talking about?
The brown.
No, it's not me. No, I'm just messing with you.
I know it
Yeah.
is. What is that?
No, it's just my phone.
Oh.
You guys need help finding something?
Oh no, I'm just browsing around and stuff.
Browsing? And
Yeah.
filming?
No, we're not filming.
Oh, not a camera, not filming?
Oh, I think he's watching porn.
How does that make that noise?
What do you mean?
But
Oh no, it's because I'm catching Pokemons.
oh, that's what that is.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch Pokemons. Yeah,
Okay.
trying to catch them all. Yeah.
I won't even ask what that is, huh?
What was that?
What is that?
What?
The noise.
Oh, I'm like,
ring?
I'm catching like Pokemon.
Oh,
Yeah. There's like one like around here. For some reason, it's like on you right now. So it's like.
that's weird.
Oh yeah, I think it's still on you. Let me see.
How could it be on me?
I don't know. I think it's following you. Yeah, it's like right on you.
Does that give me superpowers?
I don't know. Maybe. Is that you?
Huh?
Is that you?
What?
Playing that sound?
Oh, you're the one that's doing it.
What do you mean? Oh, that was you?
No,
Oh no, my phone's dead.
really?
Yeah.
No, it's not me.
What is it? Is it the clothes? Or it's you, huh? You're just pulling my leg.
No,
So then what is it?
I don't know. That's your phone. What are you talking about?
Does that tell you where the thing is?
What was that?
Does that tell you where the thing is?
This?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a gay detector.
It's a who?
A gay detector?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know why it's going off. Every time I come around you, it goes off.
How do you like that? Who knew?
Yeah, it's weird. Are you gay?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not? That's a little strange. It's going off again.
What's happening?
Let's go this way.
Yeah.
Did you guys say something?
No, we were just wondering what the sound was. That's all.
Oh, it's because I'm like stuck in a glitch right now.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, I'm like in the Matrix right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you guys have a good one.
What's up, man? You got something?
Huh?
You walked back and forth.
Oh no, I'm playing Pokemon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It sounds like Among Us, not Pokemon.
Among Us?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's Pokemon.
No, it sounds like Among Us.
I'm trying to catch them all, you know?
Yeah.
You want to play?
I do not. Got something going on right here. You mind playing over there?
Oh, am I interfering?
Yeah, that's what
Oh,
I'm saying.
all right, man.